Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means order or allow to leave, send away. Let's see its use in sentences. The judge decided to dismiss the case due to lack of evidence. She chose to dismiss the rumor as baseless gossip. The manager had to dismiss several employees during the company's restructuring process. He tried to dismiss the negative thoughts and focus on the task at hand. Let's see more sentences. The teacher will not dismiss the class until everyone has handed in their assignments. The board voted to dismiss the proposal, citing financial concerns. She was quick to dismiss his ideas, but later realized their value. The soldier requested permission to leave but was told to wait until he was officially dismissed. Thank you for watching.